Kickstart your next floor plan project by importing a background image or PDF. This is perfect for using existing blueprints or site maps. You can trace and make edits directly on top of your imported file while keeping it on a locked background layer. Match the scale of your imported image precisely by referencing known dimensions, making it simple to create accurate and professional plans from real-world visuals. To add a background image, select the Insert option on the Home tab and click on Picture or PDF. In the dialog that pops up, browse your computer for the image or PDF you want to add and make sure you select Import as a background image. The imported image will live in its own layer called Background that cannot have other shapes added to it. If you want to trace objects or make edits on top of your imported image, you'll want the scale of the image or PDF to match the scale of your document. To help you do this, we'll want to match a line drawn in SmartDraw with an object with known dimensions from the imported file. So before we can resize the image, pick an object that you know the dimensions of to use as a reference. If you started with a Google Map capture, you can use the scale shown in the lower right corner of the map. If you are working from a blueprint from somewhere else, it will either have a scale itself or the labels on rooms or objects should be your guide. Once you pick your reference object on the imported visual, draw a line that matches the length of that specific segment using your document scale. The final step will be to resize the image so that the object in the drawing matches the width of the guideline.